Objection.
Grounds?
She's lying.
Sir, I've told you before, that's not a proper ground for an objection. You deal with that either by your cross-examination or your testimony when it's your turn.
Hi, I'm Susan Kimball. In the first video of this series, we covered the steps a parent needs to take to get a divorce in Maine. Now we will offer some tips about contested court hearings. Most divorces are resolved at an earlier stage of the divorce process. But if you have gone through all of the earlier steps and you still cannot settle all of your legal issues, you will need a contested hearing before a judge or a family magistrate. The parents in the scene you just saw, John and Judy Cummings, were not well prepared for their hearing. The courtrooms you see on television are not real. A real judge is not a hockey referee and doesn't want to act like one. Your court hearing will go much more smoothly if you do your homework ahead of time and you know what to expect when you get to court. Here's Maine's Judge David Kennedy to share with you some common mistakes he sees every day and how to avoid them.
My advice here is simple. Remember these 8 things. First, show up on time. Allow extra time for unforeseen events like a flat tire. If you are even a little late, the court may default you and decide to do what the other party suggests. If you are going to be late, at a minimum, call the clerk's office and let them know when you'll arrive. The judge is not required to do so, but he or she might be able to rearrange the day's schedule a bit. Give copies of all your proposed exhibit to the other party as far ahead of your hearing as the pretrial order requires. 10 days is the usual. Be prepared. Have your evidence organized. You only get one chance to present your case. Everything your mother told you in first grade was correct. So, dress neatly and conservatively. Don't mutter or swear. Use respectful language. Cover up tattoos and remove piercings. Treat each other respectfully, as well as all others in the courthouse. Don't lose your temper. The judge can either act as a playground referee or a thoughtful decision maker. Show by your actions that you want the judge to focus on the second role. Judges want to do the right thing. Try to persuade the judge that what you want is both the just thing to do and is in the real long-term best interests of your children.